How's it going, y'all? If y'all found this video, y'all are probably from 319K, which is good. You might know a little bit about this program. If you don't, that's cool. I'm just going to spend just a few minutes going over what exactly the program can do, and hopefully it can help you out when you're making your video game. Okay, so this is the main screen, and if you want to change a color, type in whatever color string you want, blue, green, it'll change the color to it. Green there. If you know the hexadecimal value of it, you can also put that in as well. It takes 24-bit, 32-bit, so 00FF00, 00, that should give you green. Right click that, that's cool. But if you don't want to go around defining each color, say you want to select multiple buttons, you can set a color like gold. Click this set button, and down here you'll see that this check mark is not checked. Press OK, and you can go around clicking buttons to your heart's content. If you want to fill the entire screen with a color, you can type a color there and it'll do that. So it takes certain strings. Every hexadecimal 24-bit or 32-bit value will work, but not all strings will work. I'll show you. Say I select random. So that's not a color recognized by this program. It won't do anything. So if you want to see all of the strings that are available, please come check this out right here. So for example, sea green, that sounds cool. Sea green. Okay, go around selecting sea green. Alright, so you can make whatever art you want with these colors. You can change the grid 4x3, why not? Super weird, or we can do 20x20. That's pretty intense. That's a lot of blue. And still, you know, if you want, you can revert it back to its original color. And you can always view it. I'll show you, let's see. Let's go back to 8x8. Okay, say I do, say I want to see this picture without all the grid lines, how it would actually look on an LCD screen. Just click on view, and it will show you what it'll look like. I mean, it's going to be a lot smaller on the LCD screen, but that's what it should look like. So say you're lazy and you don't actually want to create your own art. You want to find something on the internet and throw it up here. You can go to File, New File, and you can type in an image name. So check this out. If I go to my environments, notice I have this mega.jpg in the same file, or same folder that I have my program stored in. So if I type in the name correctly, I can define what size I want for that. 24x20, cool. And now I've got a little Mega Man. And to add on to this, sometimes when you upload an image onto this, it doesn't work out 100%. I mean, this worked out pretty well, but notice how you have two white columns here on one side and only one white column here. So you can go up to edit, and let's remove a column. Remove column 1, that'll be this one. Column 2 will be that one, but let's just do column 1, and now it's balanced. Say you want to remove this row here. Remove row, and you type in 1. So now you got a cool looking picture. I mean, if you still want, you can go ahead and make them look awesome. Go around, make them a cool outline if you want, you know. Whatever floats your boat. And you know, you can view them. That's how it's going to look. Looks pretty cool. And then you can export the file. So this will work with the ST7735R. Right, so if I click export down here in the command line, it's telling it's writing the file. So it should have worked. If I go back up to that folder I was at, pixel GUI, testfile.txt. It's going to be a super long file because it stored all of the RGB information of it, right? So you've got a bitmap here, and you can just copy and paste this into Keel or whatever programs being used for the microcontroller. And this down here is just an example if you wanted to draw this image at 0, 0 on the screen. You'll notice just one for loop, the nested for loop, and it'll tell you, it'll implement how many rows. So 19 rows, it'll run 19 times, and then for each row it'll print every pixel in its column 23 times. It's calling the ST775 function, and it should work. I've tested a couple times. It should work. So yeah, that's pretty much the program. Yeah. Hope it helps you if you're trying to make a game. And thanks for checking out my program.